Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome if you are new. My name is Sam. Welcome to my kitchen. Today's video is going to be super short. This week has just been so rainy and wet. We've had so many thunderstorms and it's just horrible. I don't think we've had half of a day without some sort of a rain or thunderstorm, but we are going to make some goulash today, so get ready. We're going to start doing that. We're going to chop up some vegetables. I've got some bell pepper. I've got some onion, garlic going. Getting ready to put that in a pot with some ground beef. You can do any kind of meat that you want. Today I'm doing ground beef. So yeah, you can do any kind of meat that you want. I'm just going to go ahead and get these vegetables chopped up, grab my Dutch oven. I'm going to add some meat, some ground beef into my pan with a little bit of olive oil. Add in my bell peppers and my onion, and we're going to cook this up until all of this is cooked through. The ground beef is cooked through and the onions and peppers are nice and tender. Alright y'all, once you get all of that all cooked up, you're going to add in some garlic. I just did 2 cloves minced garlic, and I added in some fresh thyme and fresh rosemary. Just chopped that up fine, added that in there. I also added in some dried Italian herb blend along with some Worcestershire sauce. And I kind of mixed that around. I added in some, what else did I add? I think I added in some tomato paste and kind of let that toast up and get all delicious. So once I got all of that mixed together, I added in some bay leaves. I also went in and added some crushed tomatoes, some whole peeled tomatoes. Now my recipe calls for diced tomatoes, but you can use either or. I will leave the recipe linked down below for you guys so you can give it a check and make it for you and your family. It's really easy and just so simple, and you can add or omit things that you don't like, but I make it different every time I make it, but this is pretty much the basic. Once you get all of that added, you're just going to give that a mix, and you're going to let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now here you can see that I have added some water. Now I add water to this because I'm going to add some elbow macaroni. You can do any kind of pasta you want. I also added in some beef bouillon powder just to give it a little bit more flavor. And then I just let it finish cooking that 10 minutes or so. And then I'm going to come in and add some pasta. Now here I'm adding just plain elbow macaroni. You can do whatever small shaped pasta you want. This is just what I'm used to. It's what my mom used. It's what I use. Absolutely delicious. Once you add your pasta, you're going to give it a stir. You're going to bring this up to a boil, turn the heat down to low, and you're going to let this cook for about 15 to 25 minutes depending, just until the pasta is tender to your likeness. And this is pretty much it. And yeah, this is ready to serve. This is how I like to serve mine. I added some sour cream cheese, some jalapeno, kind of burnt my garlic toast, but that's fine. It tasted okay. And that's going to wrap up this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.